So I invite you all to close your eyes and just take a couple of deep, cleansing breaths. Just take a moment to settle in and trust the body, the mind, and the heart, settling into the wisdom within. And as you settle, I invite you to open up to the inner knower, the place in the body and the heart, the place that knows. That inner knower that opens to alignment, that is the divine wisdom within. This is the place that attracts your good to you and sends you a little message when it's time to move on. Just see if you can really locate that inner wisdom, that inner knower. It might be in the heart space or all throughout the body. Just take a moment to surrender to that inner knower, to open to its wisdom, to allow it to just give you a message of what's right for you in this moment. Now just take a moment to consider allowing that inner knower to be the guiding light, to build that trust and faith in the divine within that guides and guards, that receives that direct imprint of spirit as you. That has that divine clarity. Just consider whether you will allow it to just attract your good to you, to help you move along and release what's not yours to have or do or be. Perhaps you'll choose to surrender your mind to that inner knower, allowing it to guide you, allowing it to express its greatness as you. Releasing any need of the mind to make things hard, and embracing the simplicity and the clarity of the inner wisdom. Taking a moment of appreciation and gratitude for that inner knower, for that divine spark within. And for your ability to surrender to it. And I invite you to come back into the awareness of the room, bringing with you that awareness of the inner knower. Namaste.